Ready, ready.
Look at
Spread
look
after
at
the choke.
look at
Spread after
Gyutaro
the
here.
choke.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Engaging kami. Didip kami.
No, these two
Nag-dip
is
na yung ano ah. Ready for defensive.
okay. Come north.
Balik guys.
Keep pushing. Ready for defensive.
Bro.
Go. Push north. Push north.
Sabi lang sa mag-engage ah.
DPS 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
Huwag kayong dumikit sa wall. Huwag kayong dumikit sa wall.
Okay, bro.
Away from the terry, please. Get away from the terry. We're not calling a run
Over the
over.
wall
8
ng
seconds DPS.
Okay, 8
Patay sa
seconds.
Afghanistan.
Come on,
Oo,
Afghanistan.
patay ka, bro.
DPS ready.
Lupas ditang. Just Q him. Q's and W's on him. Q's and W's on him. What is Q's and W's on him?
Careful.
Q's and W's on him. Please, on
Ready
squash.
DPS.
Squash. Q's and W's on squash. Please, Q's and W's on the data.
Yes, spread a bit. Engaging.
3, 2, 1, head back on the choke, please, head back on the choke. Go the fuck in. So late DPS. Come back.
Over the wall ka, Amon. Hindi ka makapasok ng ganun.
2
Hindi
deep.
ka makapasok ng ganun.
Yeah, over the wall.
Over the wall din.
Actually, come east.
Guards.
10 seconds DPS.
Spread guys kasi nakatingin yung heavy maze. Spread a bit. Spread na.
Spread lang.
DPS ready.
DPS ready. Look at the
Over
front
the
line.
wall lang.
Rush Gab and Swash. Look at what do they have? Rush Gab and Swash.
May vision sila, Amon.
Fast, please. Fast as fuck, huh? Fastest engage you ever done in your life.
Maganda ka sa south. Engaging sila.
3, 2, 1, east na. On the gate lang. Shallow. Just, oh my god, walang damage.
Hindi, na-hold yun. Kailangan
Trap
mo
ulit yung
mag-south.
yung
May vision sila sa
DPS.
north eh.
Loaded kitang. Chain CCM, please. Chain CCM.
DPS 15 seconds.
Chain CCM.
Malaki vision nila dyan, Amon.
Be careful.
Engage ha.
DPS
Listen.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Listen, Swash has no defensives, okay? If he walks away, engage him.
DPS ready.
Hammer wall.
Lifting,
wala
going
ba
up.
tayo?
Engaging.
Rush Gab,
Ready.
Rush Gab.
We get the 8.
Rush Gab in 5, 4, east in 3, 2, 1, Rush Gab now.
Inside.
We get silence.
Inside.
Look at
Nag-cleric
Rush
ka, nag-cleric. Pakid na please.
Kidnap, please. Someone kidnap.
Man.
Come back. Swash have no defensive, huh? Hold on CPS. Don't get clapped. We should not be dying here. How long?
Binubong niya. Mag-engage na yun ha. Ang engage si Lifting ha. Lifting is na engaging. Patayin na.
Opposite already. East. Shallow. Patay na papatay.
Kailangan natin lumabas.
Come south.
Lugi ka sa lugi mo siya.
Yung over the wall ka lang yan. Nagchochoke tayo eh. Dapat hindi tayo nagchochoke.
Napaka-telegraph na na-engage natin. Ba't wala tayong magpatay?
Paalis.
Inuuli yung backline mo, ah.
Doon na.
Probably the...
Tayo muna tayo.
Guys, why are you here? Okay, come north actually.
Ready brawl?
Come
Ikutan mo na ng brawler. Wala pang
North. Fast engage north, please. Fast engage north.
Ikutan nyo na brawl. Now. Pasok brawl.
Guys, chain
Opus na.
CC them, please.
Hold them now. Hold them.
Chain CC them. Hold them.
Hold them
Chain
now.
CC. Go. They're gonna find him. DPS, go no.
Pull down. Pudge. Pull down.
Okay, ready
Para
DPS.
Engage sila sa choke.
Ready in the 5, 4, dito on the choke. Everyone on the choke.
Defensive as well. Oh, nice. The way back. Wag na mabait ha. Wag na mabait.
Back.
Ang
Guys,
lalim na ng ano.
lalim nyo.
Wipe ko na.
15 seconds DPS.
Wala na.
Mabilis ka pa kuya, Miku.
Come south, guys.
Alis muna tayo ulit.
Alis na tayo. It's not a
Kaya
fair
natin
fight.
pag sumunod. Spread down. Ready to hold again Hagzi ha. Inside kayo Hagzi. Ready to hold again.
Yeah. Manting kami.
Atras pa tayo.
You're looking north here, guys. They're trying to catch. Don't mata. Smart.
Sabihin nyo kung nakaikot na kayo
No,
Hagzi.
CPS, yes. Ready far north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North lang.
Touch jam again. Pasok Hagzi.
Look at lifting muna.
Ready for defensive ha.
Come back. Look at the
Back
D-tanks.
sa back. Back sa back.
The D-tanks, please. D-tanks,
Never mind.
Tanks din sa labas. Tanks din sa labas. Huwag pansinin nyo yung tanks, please. Look at Rosh, Gab, and
Engage na
Inqui. Look at Rosh, Gab, and Inqui. Cool down CPS.
15 seconds.
15. Okay, hold it. Look at Swash here.
Purple
Mag-over the wall yan, Northeast ha.
Guys, watch over the wall.
Lumabas na si Liftin, mag-engage yan ha. Every time na lalabas
DPS
yan,
ready.
mag-engage yan.
Okay. Cleanse.
Engaging na.
Di ba pwede boss Gab mapukpok yung hammer kahit di naka-assist banner?
Rosh, Gab,
Ay, di pwede.
mas pieces eh. Tapos yung Rosh, Gab. Well, you need me to mark it.
Mahirapan kami, hindi kami pasok yun.
It's marked now. Look at the heart every time, huh?
Hindi yan
Guys,
mamatay sa Q.
10
Engage mo lang
seconds
talaga yun.
DPS.
Oh.
Gusto mo, ikutan mo Zay sa loob.
Hold you.
Malabas na si Liftin ha. Engage yan.
Pasok kami.
DPS
Over the
ready.
wall mag-engage.
Papasok kami. Okay?
Look at Inqui.
Sabihin niyo pag nakapasok na ulit.
Pamata kami. Papasok kami.
Kaya papasok din ako.
Pag nag-engage sila, pasok kami.
Ready defensive. Defensive.
Defensive. Guys, huwag masyadong malapit. Guys, why are you coming in?
Papasok kami.
Pasok daw yung ano. Brawler.
Okay, come on.
20 seconds to hold down DPS.
Cleanse,
Don't pull down
cleanse the
DPS.
chocolate.
We need cleanses, please. Cleanse.
Guard drone
Hold
to
them
choke.
now. Prod them
Here on the
now.
top, hold on again.
DPS how long?
Ready, ah.
5 seconds DPS.
Get away from the choke.
Very
Away from the
defensive,
top.
very
Mana ba?
defensive.
Defensive. He's over the wall.
Engage.
Defense sa Rachok.
Very
Defense sa
defensive.
Please.
Good.
Pasok.
Okay, DPS
Guys,
ready.
In the front, please. Defensive's in the front. What's the
Matras kami ha. Matras kami.
Binubro niyo pa rin ba? Hold you.
Binabaro na. Pumabas.
Yes, kamis.
Masok na si Hazi, sa loob na si Hazi.
Sige, engage mo yung...
Inside Amon.
Ready DPS.
Get away from the choke, guys. Get away from the choke.
Three.
Please.
One.
Fred.
Northeast.
Sige, pasok.